We're coming.
Okay.
We're good. How you doing?
How you doing? Good. Welcome.
Hey, good. Thanks again.
Hop on in.
Awesome. Here we go. All right, so I'm up to here. There we go. Oh. Oh. I need the big one. Awesome. All right, here we are. We need seatbelt. Seatbelt.
Perfect.
Here, you can get my picture. You mind?
Yeah.
It's running, I think. Are we recording?
All right, I will take a picture.
Awesome. It should be video. We should be running in video. It should be a square. Are we good?
Yes, it is. It is a square.
Right at the top. Yeah, we're recording. No, right here. We're good. It's recording.
We gotta get
You're
the
good.
car
Thank
moving.
you.
Thank you.
All right. We're in. Okay, you need to make sure. And where we're going? Westworld,
Westworld.
or the theater? Let's go to the theater.
No, we want to go Westworld. That's the farthest away.
Go. Click it. All right.
And then start your ride.
Oh yeah, start ride. Thank you.
Here we go.
All right, here we are. Very quiet inside.
Yes, indeed.
We got a light here. No light. Yep, there's a light here. And of course there's sunshades if you need them. So you can light the cabin. We've got 2 cup holders. There's a movable headrest or armrest. It's a lid up here on the dash. Sunshades.
We're getting a wreck. There's a car.
Yeah, exactly.
Here we go.
The monitor is quite a bit of space in front of the window here, as you can see. It's probably 21-inch monitor. You can play games. You can do whatever while it's driving. Oh, they got a light show going.
Let's go for the map.
It's nice and smooth, very quiet. We can see our map for our destination. Shut this light off. We don't need that. Nice and smooth. The back is right here is carpet. I turn the line on here. It's carpet right here behind our seats. The side has no buttons. The window is no window controls here at all. I would imagine it'll be here on the screen. My window's currently open. There's another cyber cab. All right, he's stopping.
Almost to our destination.
The seats are very comfortable. They're soft, you can see, and they're wide. So depending upon your posterior, it's going to make it or not. Again, there's no exit buttons or switches. It has this here, and I'm not sure what this covers. So we're just going to find us a spot here. Maybe we got to go all the way around. Darn. I think it's going to try to find us a parking spot here. We don't know. Now I'm 6'6", and you can see as far as headroom, there's a fist above my head here. So I got a fist of space above my head. Hey, this is great. Where's it taking us? Back to the barn? That's awesome.
It's going around.
Awesome. Dude, how cool is that? I think it's going back to the base. Let's see, what time is it? Now they got 5 minutes. Highway Patrol's taking our picture. All right, it's got some people traffic out front.
We could have stopped our ride at any point.
Oh, we could have?
Yeah, we could have just stop riding.
Oh, well, you don't want it, do you?
I don't know. It's kind of whatever.
No, I think we're good. We waited for how many hours?
A while.
Yeah, that's correct. So anyway, I can shut the cabin light off, and it's dark in here except for here. And I don't see anything on the side here. But speed bump coming up. Slowing down for the speed bump. Nice, easy over the speed bump. It's like a Mario Kart game. I think it'll take us back to the theater next. So we can stop it whenever. If we get into another where people are getting on, we'll stop it. Another speed bump. Nice and smooth. We go around to the left here. Yeah, they closed that off. It looked like. Maybe we'll just go around all night. What do you think?
Doubtful.
No? You got better stuff to do? Not me.
We're gonna go back to where we went.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just taking a loop.
Well, that's
Plus
fine.
we weren't able. There wasn't any drop-off points available.
No, there wasn't either.
Yeah.
So that's our excuse.
It's just doing a loop for
Yeah.
us.
Maybe go around again and drop us off.
Yep.
Okay, we're good. We're supposed to go to Westworld, so we got a little bonus here. 4-way stop. We'll wait that red car's turn. Yep. All right, we're good. NHTSA stop. I don't know. What do you think?
I think it was fantastic.
Dude, I'll tell you what. I'd take this thing anywhere.
Very comfortable ride.
Yes, it is.
Enjoyed it?
You bet.
Very comfortable.
All right, so we're back around to our destination. Maybe there'll be a place for us, or we might have to go around again. We can probably stop if you want once we're up there a little bit.
Yep. Let somebody else ride before it's all over.
Yep, exactly. So you can hit stop, stop ride. There we go. Confirm, stop ride.
Looks like he's... Oh,
Ride is coming to a stop. I think it's going to go a little more. What's it say? Open? Oh, resume ride. Okay, here we go. We'll get up here a little bit.
that's cool.
Oh, that's good. Alright.
And there's nothing on the sides here. It's just open your doors.
That's it. We'll do stop ride. Okay, and we'll open the door. That's as hard as it is. Let's see. Fasten. Oh, yeah. Unfasten seatbelt.
I just unfastened seatbelt.
Yeah, well, that's all right. We'll do open.
There we go.
All right, and there's our door, and we're out of here. Pretty darn cool.